Hello, everyone. I am dealing with a pretty gnarly cold slash flu. Not sure which one it is. I body ache, so I think they call that one the flu. But anyway, we'll go ahead and we'll do what we can. The Nasdaq today, it's pretty much analyzing today's actions, kind of worthless. It's a Thanksgiving week of trading, which means that it's going to be pretty much useless. I would expect volume to be below average every day. However, I've been tricked before, and I've seen above average volume during Thanksgiving weeks. But Nasdaq's up 0.07%. It's pretty nice. We hit 4,000, first time since the year 2000. So pretty crazy right there. We're getting near there. Nowhere near the 5,000 that we were once at, though. But maybe in time. Still a good day. Nothing to really get too excited with as we just drift higher. Dow Jones Industrial Average also up 0.05%. On the other end, the S&P 500 was down 0.13%, and the Russell 2000 was down 0.02%. Bottom line, none of these markets moved enough to really analyze the action. However, we can't say today was a success because we got partial sells everywhere. ICLR is a half-ass partial sell. It's another above average volume close below the 50-day moving average. So I'm going to go ahead and take some off with that close on above average volume, even though that's going to probably be support and will rally higher. A rule's a rule, and the fact that I didn't cut off more as it got weak as against me probably should have taken some off on Friday, i.e. Monday morning. But it is what it is. ICLR is going to be 25%. Facebook also closing below the lows in the most recent base by closing below 45.72. It is another partial sell. Volume is above average or at average. So that is a 25% sell. And then on the other end, pretty rare occasion, but we saw it in ONVO before ONVO crashed. We got a partial sell signal, and SHLO same thing. SHLO is having its biggest one-day price range and its biggest one-day volume surge of the entire uptrend since we went long. So we're going to go ahead and take some partial profits on that. 25% sell, locking in a 47% gain. Could easily continue to go higher, have more huge volume, another big update tomorrow. Then we'll do another 25% because it's really getting out of hand. So it's best just go and lock it in. And then also a little disappointing called. Love this technical setup. Kind of disappointing that it just didn't continue immediately. Kind of feeling it might be a little extended over the 2 days. This would have been a better buy. Volume would have been above average. However, still seemed like it was plausible. So not to see move up immediately kind of sucks. But it's still holding above the lows of my ultimate cut loss, 1060 or 50-day moving average, whatever you want to use. So we'll go ahead and ride the rest out. And then also CKH, brand new long, brand new failure. That didn't even work one day. CKH looked to be an excellent buy off the 50-day moving average, but obviously today told us that it was not, and it is a full sell. We do have one new long position tonight, and it's COLE. Volume is below average, but the pocket pivot point buy signal and the amazing structure of this, I don't know what you want to call it. I'm going to call it a base on top of a base on top of a base, or an ascending base, or a base on top of an ascending base, with this being the August-October ascending base and November being another base. So that's kind of what I see here. You could also say that it's a cup pattern or a saucer pattern even developing here, as it is only down 7% from the highs. So we could have a saucer base, a saucer base on ascending base, or a base on base on base, whatever you want to call it. But so even with the lower volume, I don't mind, and I'll show you why. And it's because look at the growth in earnings. Very, very nice. Look at the estimates. Very, very nice. Look at the yield. Very nice. Look at the huge mutual fund growth from one quarter to the next, 14 to 127. And look at these sales, 69, 57, 91, 56, 50, 43, 91, 162, 96 million in sales 8 quarters ago, 366 now. That's impressive. So this is definitely a strong long candidate, even with the lack of volume. 2% in both accounts. If volume's heavier and green and BOP is green, it's a 5%er with those numbers. Okay, everyone. I'm going to try to feel better, and you have a wonderful Tuesday. Aloha.